Do you already strongly aspire to be so much more than you are now? Do you aspire to live a new, wonderful and happy life more and more intensely? Do you aspire to have access to certain mysteries of the macrocosm and to decipher the profound, godly meaning of existence? If until now you have not discovered the appropriate answers, which appear to you as being full of practical wisdom, you now have the opportunity, which is not at all accidental, of participating with great impetus and a lively curiosity in an extraordinary adventure of consciousness, which is expanding widely through certain astonishing revelations to which you will have free access. The MISA Esoteric School of Integral Yoga is organizing in unison with the International Federation of Yoga and Meditation, Atman, the 7th International Congress of Yoga and Eastern and Western Alternative Therapies from the 20th to the 26th of June with the theme Traditional Esoteric Yoga, Godly Unity that is full of wisdom and manifests in an amazing diversity. Come right now with all of us on this extraordinary journey that takes you beyond the well-known frontiers of knowledge and aims to give you an amazing, multifaceted, yet objective practical perspective regarding the millenary yoga tradition, including some new scientific discoveries. In this way, you will become a human being witnessing a memorable encounter between genuine objective science and the ancient wisdom of India. You will also benefit from certain exceptional spiritual exemplifications involving uplifting telepathic and empathic phenomena, which will bestow in your aura the subtle, sublime energies of godly attributes. You will be able to participate in profoundly transformative and effective workshops, and you will also be able to watch exciting documentary films at home. This will give you the chance to live and to discover, through direct experience, ineffable and unforgettable euphoric states. As a bonus, you will be able to discover some mysterious aspects of wonderful paranormal realities. Traditional esoteric yoga, godly unity that is full of wisdom and manifests in an amazing diversity. Participation is free of charge. Yoga practitioners and sympathizers of true spirituality are invited, as well as all those who are inspired by a beneficial creative curiosity.